light of Christmas, can you sing your favorite Christmas song?
Ah, okay.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and angels sing, and heaven and angels sing, and heaven and angels. Silent night, holy night, all is bright, all is calm. Round your virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild. Sleep in heavenly peace.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. All tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. All tidings of comfort and joy.
Oh come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh come ye to Bethlehem.
Kérésìmesì, Kérésìmesì dé, àbí olùgbàlà kan fún wa nílùú Bethlehem.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.